What's going on? Quick video. I'm going to be replacing the stock Honda emblems with these JDM ones. I also have a little steering wheel emblem to put on, and I'm going to be using this little plastic tool to take them off. There's tons of videos on YouTube on how to do this, so I'm not going to show myself doing it step by step, but I know that, excuse me for how dirty it is, but there's a pin here and here that you got to pop out, and then it comes off. All right, it's off. Please take your time. I didn't hurt the car, but I did manage to break the emblem. So I'm not really worried because the stock Honda emblem is really thin and cheap anyway, so I don't really care about it. But now I just have to clean it up with rubbing alcohol, and I'll put the emblem on. Front one is off, but just like the back one, I was a little impatient and quick, and I kind of cracked it on the side, but it's fine on the car. So I'm gonna clean that up and put the new ones on. Also, the front emblem has two pegs that fit in these two holes here. So that's what I've got to line them up with after I take off the cover for the 3M tape. Emblem is on. Looks pretty good, I think. Now I just have to replace this chrome lip here. It's really ugly and it gets stained and it's really hard to clean. Let's see. I got it on the steering wheel. There we go.